What's going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of the Mojo. Hope everyone's having a nice day today. Had a great day again in the MOJO Day Trading room. My camera seems always to be delayed right now a little bit. It's not like syncing up with my voice, but it is what it is. Keep on switching screens anyway. So this is the MOJO Day Trade room, everybody. Got about half the people left in the room. Just did two really nice trades. Denny and myself in the Mojo room. He called out Hines 113 here and target at 116 for the even number roll there, and absolutely done great on those. 113.19 on PG and 115.90 116 target Hines. So two really nice picks that he just did. Let's shoot over and check out those charts. Here's the move on target right here. See the nice move? That's the target. And the other one he picked was PG. Which is Procter & Gamble. And you could see the move that this one made. Not a big move, but a good move. Picked it right there off the bottom to go back through. It still may even go higher. Two solid ones, absolutely. So I was working on this little thing right here, this highlighted picks for May. I was working on this off the swing for today. We wanted to see what picks were really hot this month. Oh, we got the Dow's at 25,298. It's just like, why? Why is it up so high? And the S&P's over 3,000. Krone is 658. Got the $6 covered call for 30 cents. Come on down. CGC, come on down. You never wish a stock would come down, but when you own them so low and they're going to get called away so high, you want them to. Ooh, American Airlines coming back up. We own the stock at $3. It's $11.87. Very nice. Nice work. GE, we're up 5%. Look, GE went from red to green. Now every one of them is up, and I wouldn't say American Airlines is down because we collected so much premium on it. But let's check out a couple of them, like My Little Pony today. Right here, it's 92 cents right there. No announcements. But the stock sparked up yesterday, opened at 10.9. Teva is $12.68 today, had a $12 stop on it. Low's $12.09 today. And we'll leave it there. Mist is at 3.10. It's at 3.28. ZN's doing good. AOBC's at 10.44, stops at 10. Jobs at 34, stops at 30. I'd say Teva's a highlight, but not for the month of May. The month of May is down here. We'll get down to them. F-Tech at 83 is down 2%. Fuel Tech. And E-Core is down 3%. KIQ. So this we own. I won't let it go below 80. And then this one we won't let go below 90. Ogen's the same. Won't let it go below 55. GBTC's at 1068. NBRV's at 83. Low 77 today. It's at 80. Inpixion can raise that even up. 139 is doing good. INPX can raise this to 129. And then GMBL, Job, fine. Scone, 35 today. CLRO down a penny. GNC is doing really well today. It went to 89 cents. GNC didn't give up on it when it went down 4 cents. Now it's up 50 cents. So that was that's 2 times now on GNC. Mojo's picked a 2-time winner. So that we're going to raise from 53 cents. We're going to raise it to 70 cents. Nice winner. May 1st, GNC. So I can add that on there. That's entry date of May 1st. That's GNC. And that was from 53, and it's now 89. We'll just put it 83. 30-cent winner. So that's from 53. No exit price. I'll just put 83 right now. Let's see what that is. So you got 53 minus 83 is 30 cents. And the cost of that's 53 cents divided by 53 is a 56.6% gain. 56.60. And we held it for, but we're not out of it. We'll just do the closed ones when we go down. I'm not out of that one. I'm not going to put that one on there. So these all look fine. Nothing over 50%. Nothing down huge. Drop card, drop down. Let's see what we got closed this month. LIVX. We held it for 91 days. We made 124% on it. Myrna made a clean hundo on it. Apache a 156, a USO a 329, a 274 on Nano Dimension, a 427 on Ramblon. GBTC is moving right now. $10.60, same. Same price. So swings are doing good on the covered calls. Let's take a look at UV. UV we traded earlier today like a madman. I think UV's going to come into play again. 34.07. We can do a trade on UV. Yeah, it's living at 1062. I love the base. Especially because Bitcoin's going to Heinz right now. You see it? 99. It's going to go to 10,000 again. So we got $34 on UV right here, guys. UVXY right here. 34 and under. Let's do a trade. Do a 2-sequence scale with me telling you exactly how to buy it down here underneath. So you just want the swing and not the day trade. You can only have one course. You can't have both courses. It's one or the other. And the other course isn't even there, so well, I don't even know how you're asking for it, but I'll take your action on it. Let's see what else we got to trade. Nice trade on Target through 116. Real nice. Nice trade on PG. That's that Procter & Gamble. That was another good one. Anyway, I got any other good Heinzers to get on? TNA. That's an ETF. Pass. In UVXY, it's the same thing, Larry. UV will move more. WBA did really good for us this morning. Look how much it came down. This one may be another good one up to 43. Rad and Tever are grinders. Rad's not doing anything. Went from 55 to 78 from this morning. Oh no, it came from 12 down here. Yeah, it did grind up. Rad was the one today. But I like WBA right here again at 42.50, 42.60. I like that one right here too. So I like both of those. You want to see Mr. Chills? It's Mr. M, some Bobo Snare. I call him William now. I've been calling him William. My Bobo. Little Willie. So easy to call them little cute names. My boys. Right there. The comrades of Mojo. The mascots of the team. Intel's Heinz in 63. Strong. Intel's Heinz and strong. AMD did a nice reversal too. Strong little chang up like a snail. Like a snail line. Look, they all got snail lines. Look. From getting destroyed. Look, they all match. Let's see that one. Oh, what was the other one I just said? Nope, that one don't match. Nope. Yep, that one matches. Yep, that one matches. NVIDIA. Look how NVIDIA falls in line with that line. Holy crap. Ain't that unbelievable? Intel and NVIDIA. I know, a little bit. Look, that's the line. They all started at the same mark. Look at that. They all start right here in the same circle. Look at this. I'm switching charts, guys. Look at that. Disney. INO. Intel. NVIDIA. That one's off by a little bit. This one happened back here. But look at that. Right in that circle, right? Rad. SPY reversed. Target. And that umbrella, this one went down here in that circle. WBA. XOM. Look, they all happened in this circle right here. Isn't that wild? What time is that? It's 11 o'clock, right around there. Right before 11 o'clock. Nice. Interesting. Interesting. Sometimes you can get so confused about the trading, but sometimes it's so clear. Sometimes the golf's so easy, but some I'm confused about my grips and stuff. I got these new wedges. The grips feel a little bit new because they're bigger, and dude, it holds it nicer in the back of my hand, so I don't twist over. Now I'm wondering if I should go from standard to mid-size, and oh my goodness gracious, so many options, so many tweaks. It's just like so many little variations. Just like the trading, look at all these stocks and symbols and variations, and what are you gonna do, right? I'm taking UV right here. That's what I'm waiting for. 33.82. Number 2. This is gonna be a good trade. I have a good feeling. Elon Musk and Tesla are launching astronauts at 4:30. They arrived in the matching area. Nice. Tesla down $7, scooting up. May take off like a rocket, right? What else we got? Papa John's at a 30% increase in sales this month. That's why that one's up today. Let's see what other kind of news there is. Stocks cut gains. Ooh, golf shoes. Yeah, I'm looking at some new shoes. I'm thinking about these. Look at these new FootJoys. My golf shoes are so old. Not those, but I like these black ones. These are pretty cool. Those blackies right there. Those are pretty nice too. I gotta look for a coupon. Scooby-Doo-Doo, Papa John's and Domino's pizza sales are soaring. Yeah, because everyone's eating damn pizza.
When I need to grow my business, I use fiber.
And they did a loyalty program too. Which helped out the stock. Making it easy to order online, curbside delivery, all that good. The investor turns $100,000 into 2 point. Now he's banking on a cruise line. Oh, it's not an ad, guys. Look, it's not an ad. Let me really read it. Oh, there really is a story, and it's not an ad about someone. Look at that. That's all messed up. The buy and hold approach to the stock market generally isn't celebrated strategy among Reddit's Wall Street bets, but more than a few glasses are being raised for one member of the trading who claims to have made an absolute killing in recent years. I know the codings, as he goes on Reddit, says his portfolio, which includes occasional options, by multiplied 20 times since he got started 4 years ago. Today's value is $21 million. Wow. Here's a screenshot of his account. Making millions though isn't what this forum's about. Paradox wrote. He made a lot of money, huh? Oh, 2,180,000. Nice. It's up 109 grand today. That's a nice portfolio. Of course, he wasn't hailed as a hero. Not in this group. Making millions always want. NCLH. 50,000 shares he's got. He focuses on a single position. As much as 90% of his portfolio will be concentrated on his conviction pick. At the moment, he's diversified. His portfolio AMD and Norwegian Cruise Line. He's got 50,000 Norwegian at 804. He's got an option on AMD, down 13 grand. He's got an AMD weekly. He's up 8, and an NCLH that he put. He's down 103 grand in it. It looks like. Well, something. Oh, he's short a put. Says negative 103. I don't know, but anyway, they have 18 of cruises back though. An August 2020 put. He's betting from August from now to go into 15, and it's purchased at 619. He's short 350 of them at 295. Yeah, so he's down because it's up. So he shorted 350 of them at 295. He's lost 100%. That's why he's down 103 grand. But he made back 32,000 of it. And that's why this one from 127 to 123 is down 13 grand because it's down 4 cents on 100. This one is about even. 40 is about even on this one. 45 and 43 a weekly, and this one different in price. All right. He's banking on a cruise line. So he's banking that the cruise line is going to go lower. He purchased a put. Going to go lower. It's a big bet. Let's see what it's doing. NCLH. $16.97. In the last 1 month, it's gone ticking up. He thinks it's going to go back down all the way down to $9, where it was in the beginning of the month. It's a big bet. See what happens? Show you what happens. Like this guy right here. I got a couple guys in my room that are no longer in my room. Why? Let me show you what happened. And he's done the exact same thing. So here's what's going to happen to this guy. The odds are he's got $2 million. He just made a killing. Just like I had a bunch of guys in my room do. Okay? And he puts 90% of his portfolio into the stocks. Sometimes does options. Now he's big into the making a big options bet. He's doing something a little bit different than he did to make that. So just like typical trader A, all of a sudden, he's an analyst. He'll marry that freaking position from 2 million. He'll marry it down to 800. He'll lose 1.2 million on that freaking thing. He wouldn't care. He'll keep on making a bet till he's right. Why? Because he's an analyst all of a sudden. And he's going to lose. He's not humble anymore. Happens all the time. So he's banking on his bankruptcy and his blow up. That's what he's banking on. That's what he's banking on. He should take that fucking 2 million and go back to 100,000 and do it again. That's what he should do. So investor turns that into that. It's pretty damn spanky. Jim Cramer says a quick recovery is a tough bet. So do I. So why the hell is the market up so many days in a row and doing so well? It's so crazy. I have no idea why. All right, Phil Mickelson's aboard, guys. He wants to do some trading. Let's make Phil some money this afternoon. He's got in between his 9. He's got a little sit and go. Let me tell you what a sit and go is. Phil loves sit and goes. And I'll give you a trade. So when you go into a casino and you walk in, you got the tournament room, and these are tourney tables. So tables A are tournament tables. And then you got a lot of these other little tables. And in the other room next to it, there's a lot of other tables. And these are called the B tables. These are the sit and goes. Right here, you put in $1,000 and you can win $10,000. But it takes you 5 hours. Ooh, it's a long time. So you have to calculate, do you have that time? It's a lot of this and that, you know what I'm saying? These B's are sit and goes. These last 30 minutes. 30 minutes. You put in $100 and you can win 1,000. Well, there you go. So if you have just an hour, you play 2 of them, you can win 2K. Nice little quick sit and go. You come in, you come out, same strategy using the big one, and you just keep on winning little, depending on you have an hour and a half, you have 2 hours, but you don't have 5 hours. And that's what we do now. We come in the afternoon like a little sit and go, and we crank out some cash out of the market. Play a couple of good quality hands. Let's check it out. Usually in the afternoon, it's like late night at the poker at the casino. Everyone's drunk. You have just the regular, just schlubs there. You know, all the easy money's already been taken. and left. You know, like the stock market in the morning. Same great analogy right there, guys. We had PZZA this morning, which is Papa John's, because, dude, the guy was on TV this morning, man. It's a no-brainer. Did you know the CEO of Papa John's was on TV this morning? If you did, you would have had it on your screen and probably played it all day long. You know what I'm saying? Like we did. Oh, look at Bobo. He's turning upside down. Hi, Bobo. You love that turning upside down. What, you want your belly rubbed? What are you doing down there? That's Bobo right there. There he is right there. You rub your belly? Oh, yeah, you love that. Look at Mr. Rems, your brother. He's sitting there like a schlub on a dump rug. What are you doing? Oh, you good boy. I'm looking for a trade. Watch this. Watch me stripe a freaking hayseed, mayseed down the freaking fairway. Freaking hellacious seed. I'm gonna drill a hellacious seed down the fairway right now with a freaking ripper. A hellacious seed. I know the SPY ain't gonna go into 301. It's a trick. So UV ain't gonna pop at 34. It's a trick. It's gonna stay there. I gotta find a mover and a shaker. That's a good target trade. Like, remember that good target trade at 116? It's 116.30. Better ask somebody. Casinos open up. Yeah, you know what'll happen? Stock's gonna freaking rip, just like them other ones did today when they opened up. What's that symbol there, my dear? WYNN. Little win. I'm gonna win on the win at $86 Renos a share. Win Resorts. Let's go to the daily. 3 months. Link slot red. Link slot red. God damn you. Come on, win. Look at that. Win looks like it won't pop when that news comes out. Or pop down. It's like teetering. Teetering in the middle. Remember I said to you when it was here, it's going to pop down here, come up, come down, and then go completely sideways like that? That's exactly what happened. I bet every single stock has done that. Every single stock. It's like a freaking loaded gun. Look at that. Scope. Pointer. Fucking bullet right down the damn middle. Telling you. Look at that. Same thing. Look at that. Same thing. Same thing. Same thing. Same thing. Look at that spike. What happened? What is that? That's the S&P. That's a fake spike. UAL today. You guys. Look at that you guys coming down to 16. See? You asked me at 1750 if it was good. I said nope. Now it's looking pretty good. Now that natural gas is looking gassy. Natural gas is looking gassy. I don't see nothing to nothing. Look, this stock's at 85 doing nothing. Bad number, doing nothing. Bad number, bad number, bad number, bad number. Decent number, but okay. It's the only one. Intel's decent. Red. Astronauts are going to the moon. MGM. It's another good symbol. Let's look at that stock. 1789. And look at it on the daily chart. See? Not so bad to be collecting covered calls on right now, weebs, which is what you should be doing. Perfect timing. Oh my goodness gracious. Amazing amount of option power, rental ability. In order to do options at your firm and sell covered calls, you just got to fill out an options form, one of those forms. Like if you want to trade margin, you got to fill out a margin form. It's an options form. And just say, covered call writing's one of the strategies. It's available in IRA accounts. It's the only option strategy that firms allow you in IRA accounts. Just goes to show you the conservativeness of it. Can't buy calls in an IRA. Nope. Can't sell no puts. Nope. No margin. Can't do none of that. You know why you can do covered calls? Because they give you the money. They give it to you. So you do a covered call for $1,000 premium, $1,000 contract. That's your $1,000 for the length of that contract. Firm will hold that for you in your IRA all day long. Why wouldn't they? It's the most conservative insurance strategy there is in the market. And the only reason why brokers don't recommend it or even say it to you ever, do you know why? If you have a broker at Merrill Lynch or Goldman Sachs or any firm, he'll never mention, do covered call writing. You know why? I don't know if anyone even out there is even out there. You know why? See, look, no one's even out there. See? Oh, my doggies are gone. Yeah. Why? Of course. Take a guess. Why would you think? Get an educated guess. And I'll give you a hint. Think about manipulation. Think about hibby-jibbying. The answer lies around that. That's why they don't let you do it. Exactly. That's why. Because there's no commission in it for them. And they got to tie your money up for a month. And then all of a sudden, the firm next week's going to have their meeting and come out with the next best thing since sliced bread. And guess what? You as a broker ain't making any money because you freaking tied up all the funds in covered calls, and the people can't sell their stocks to get liquid for a profit, so you can use your best idea, make a commission selling their stock, and then make a commission rebuying the new stock, and then when the new stock doesn't work, selling the new stock and then going back into the old stock and making commission after commission after commission. And then if the broker's right 10 times and he's freaking wrong, out of 10 times 5, dude, you're toast. A lot of fees, man. A lot of action. A lot of tying up the funds. So that's why brokers don't recommend covered call writing to their customers, because it's good for them. Amazing, isn't it? Doesn't matter if we make money or not. Just move the money and collect the premium. Hey, as Karen says, never, ever, once you bank the premium, you never let it go. You know who Karen is? She lost a lot, but she made hundreds of millions of dollars. You know who Karen is? She made $41 million in 3 years. She made $41 million in 3 years. This is Karen.
So I've been waiting for this segment for like a year since we started the show. I'm Tom, she's Vanetta, he's Tony, and
He has told me about you for years. For years and years.
well, so let me.
Good story.
And the only reason I'm not giving out last names is because I just don't want people reaching out to her, because I know, respecting your privacy, and also tens of thousands of listeners that they're dying to hear this. So I'm going to start off right at the beginning. And you correct me if I got anything wrong, just so I can fill people in. You were the either CFO, accountant for a small business, and you guys were brick, right? It was
brick and mining.
Brick and mining.
She spent $25,000 and more on courses that didn't work.
And mining.
Nothing to do with the financial side.
No.
And I always have this saying. I have this crazy saying, which is next.
Mm-hmm. So that rang true to me, because over the years, I'd go up, go down, my asset value would increase, decrease, and I didn't feel like I was making any progress. So she and I had talked about trying to do something in business together. So we went to a free Invest Tools seminar, and in that seminar they were offering what they call a PhD program. It was $22,000.
$22,000.
Yes, and she said, "Oh, let's do this," and I said, "Are you crazy?"
They did.
But she talked me into it, and together we took that.
Guys, what I teach, and I do her stuff, and it works amazing, is completely free education. And that she stumbled on to do what she does now, and I'm going to teach that to you.
PhD program that took about a year and a half to complete.
Mine takes a couple of days.
Seminar blinded. The wonderful thing about what Investals, I know.
Fast forward to the goods.
I tried a whole variety of strategies. I thought I was going to be a real technical trader because I have an accounting and math background. So I had 12 or 14 charts up.
She thought she was going to be an analyst. Ain't happening. All she does is two things, what Mojo does. Price and volume. Watch.
I was following technical analysis, and I did that for a few years, and had some successes and more failures than success, but I learned from the failures. That's the important thing, is to not to give up, not to look at, oh, I have failed at this, I can't do this. No, what you've done is gotten closer to a success.
Correct.
Because every time I failed, I learned something that made me a better trader, and a better trader, and a better trader that got me to where I am today.
So you were a little bit of a numbers junkie on your own before this.
Yeah.
You didn't just sit in front of a computer for 5 years. You actually had a job that you had to do too.
Yes.
Okay. So we're gonna take that $10,000 account. We're gonna fast forward to 2007, and at some point in 2007, I don't know how much money was left in the $10,000 account, but in 2007, a light bulb goes off.
Yes.
And the light bulb, something clicked inside of you, and you said, "Okay, now I'm going to take my $100,000 that's being managed somewhere else," which is probably still about $100,000.
Yes, it was.
So in 5 years, the professional manager had given you your money back.
Yes.
Pretty much.
Pretty much.
You moved it into your trading account, which is a big step up, because I'm assuming that's pretty much everything you'd saved over X period of time that was liquid.
Everything that was liquid.
Right. And you decided to give it a go.
I did. I felt like that I had a confidence level, though, that had built up over all of that training time and all the practice and study and work, all the mistakes I had made. I had a decent confidence level that I could make this work.
So here's where the story gets amazing. So from 2007, you moved the money over, and now you've got the 100,000, let's just say approximately, and you start trading. And at this point, you've also changed your trading style a little bit. You're confident because you're focusing more on strategies than you are anything else. You're believing in a little bit different approach, the short volatility, some short premium, and you turn the $100,000. And remember, 2007 was the year that volatility got annihilated down to like 10%. 2007 was the summer of 2008 is when the market kind of topped out. And so from 2007 to 2008, you turn your 100,000 into 150,000.
150,000.
Okay, so it's a 50% return, and you support yourself.
Yes, and I've moved into options at that point to decide. Stocks are just too difficult to pick.
Here?
No matter how much work you do, there's such a good chance you're going to be wrong. And moving,
We say it's about 50%.
It's about 50%. and moving more in the direction of
Index.
non-directional plays. Really starting to tap into that. Realizing if I buy a call, I only make money if the market goes up. And I only make money if it goes up a certain percentage, because you have to cover the time value loss.
The break-even point, right.
So that's got to be a better way than this. So that was just starting to evolve at that point.
So all of it clicks. And so let's just say some point in early 2008. Remember, 2008. The end of
She
2008
starts doing a lot of preems.
Let's say the total. You start with in 2008 maybe $600,000 or $700,000.
Right.
And so here's the amazing story, because I'm going to fast forward now.
Right.
I'm going to fast forward through all the market crash, the economic meltdown, blah, blah, blah. We go all the way to 2011, and somehow between 2008, because this is the remarkable piece of story, to 2011, you make $41 million.
Correct.
41 million.
Movie. I would watch this. It's amazing.
So I skipped through 3 years of time, but Tony and I.
Because she used the market's money and OPM to make money. She didn't bet like that guy $100,000 to turn into $2 million, and now he's betting for his retirement. That doesn't work. This works.
I've done this for, at this point, by the same years you're talking about,
She made 41 million.
Mid-20s of doing this.
The worst.
So fit the prototypical.
Trading stocks. That got us out of the guessing game of is it going to go up, is it going to go down, and got us out of the earnings season. I really like when we stopped playing the earnings game. We got strictly into options in stocks. Slowly moved over to the indexes. As we moved over to the indexes, then we could play more safely, and then we started strictly shorting indexes.
Selling premium.
Shorting premium, shorting premium. So as we've built this strategy, it's a very simple strategy.
Very simple.
So one area that's improved what we've done has gotten simpler and simpler and simpler. We gave up a lot of the technical studies.
Mm-hmm.
We watch price and volume.
Told you.
Two main items.
Amazing, right?
We have Bollinger Bands on our charts.
Just like me.
We watch the charts, we watch the movement, and we trade very short.
Trend is the friend.
And we're very nimble.
Quick and nimble, baby.
And we work off theta, and we're just in and out of the market within about 56 days is about as long as we'll venture out. And we keep pulling that in shorter and shorter and turning these things around.
Listen to what she says.
Doing it in a very conservative way.
Once she collects premium,
stay safe in all our positions.
she never gives it back.
My philosophy is once you give me the money, you're not getting it back.
Told you.
So once that premium comes in, we have strategies in place where
you can roll.
Get the money back.
Yeah.
So very rarely, one of the things that makes us successful is the way we manage the account. We rarely lose in a position. Right? It's a rare thing that we lose in a position.
Now, when you say that, because you're just playing, it's a straight probability game. So you're going outside. Did
you hear that, guys? That's Super Trader Karen. Very a lot like what Mojo does. Isn't it very similar, huh? Weebs, Tugga, you see the story now and the similarity? Yeah. Nice. Very good. Always learning a lot. Watching great stuff. Oh, yeah, really good stuff, right? It's exactly what I do. Yeah. Watch Karen. She lost, too. She lost a lot. But she made it all back. When the market crashes and you're in a put, it can hurt you. And that's what she did. The market crashed and she was in put. Too small. Luan, we don't put out just symbols like that into the room. Watch Mojo University. I don't even have it on my radar. But you could see on Twitter who is trading that stuff. Like that EV stock this morning and that other one. So that was good, man. Always checking out knowing how someone made 41 million. You should definitely listen and learn. Absolutely. So yeah, Phil Mickelson, you want to start learning, collecting some premium? Making like Super Trader freaking Philly? Come to the Moj, dude. I freaking hook you up. Know you watching my show again today. See? Texted me again. Phil. No joke. My videos are out there. I've done 2,000 videos. You don't think anyone searching for stock or trading online is going to find me? They found me, man. And they like me because I'm a golfer and I speak the language. Freaking say goodbye to that stinger with a hellacious seed. The hellacious seed. Dude, you guys right now is looking gassy. May have to put it out in a little bit of a swing action like we did before. Let me shoot over to the daily. Here's the daily. Now we may dip down, but I'm looking at this as a buying opportunity. We got a little base right in here, another base right in here, a little third one. We got a 1, 2, 3 solid base. I think we can come easily back up into here. Target 1, target 2, target 3 at 37.50. And off 15 is a 100% move. Right there. I love that one. So we're risking right here. Risk after a 3 entry. You go 15.70 for 1. 15.90 or 30 for number 2, and then 16 or 14.70 for number 3. You see how I did that? And that's the play on UGAZ on 5/27. Because we know winter time's over, so now they just need to use natural gas for the natural gasness that it does, and it'll increase like the price of gas did from 183 to 212. It's just the time. It's like an ebb and flow. Do you ever live on a lake, or have a lake in your backyard, and you're like, damn, I can't believe how shallow it is. Look how low the lake is, dude. You can walk all along the shore. You see all the holes where the fish used to live. Oh my goodness gracious. The middle of the lake must be pounded with a lot of act. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my gosh, remember? But then all of a sudden, 6 months later, you're like, holy crap, look how much water is in the lake after that storm. Things flooding. It's over the banks. Oh my god, it's the ebb and flow. It's exactly what happens with the market, dude. And when you realize that, and you're able to ebb and then flow, oh my goodness gracious. Dude, and I'm in control of this database of a several hundred subscribers to the MOJO Swing Trade newsletter. And I'm just recopying the last UGAZ pick, and I'm going to send it out again. So here's how I do it. The last UGAZ pick was on 5/14. It was at $16. So we're going to replace this. And it was on Thursday, and today's Wednesday. So it's almost the same days of the week. WEDNES. And it's the 27th. And dude, I like the Hugaz right here. Bink, 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 a bink, bink, dink. See, this one you know I'm sending out, but normally you wouldn't. Only the people watching my show. And you know how many people are watching my show? 2. So 2 people get this pick on Wednesday, 5/27. You guys, by 3 times entry here. I got it already in 15.60 range. And lower. Add up into 15.95. And then $16. If goes lower, wait until 15. What did I put? 30. and number 3 at 1470 range to trade back up through 15. Perfect. Done. Good afternoon, swing traders. Last one was in the morning. This one's in the afternoon. Whoops. Done. 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 Let me know when you receive the newsletter. Going out to hundreds and hundreds of people, including Phil Mickelson right now. Phil, you're getting the newsletter. There you go, Phil. Hooking you up, buddy. See? Got Philly right here. See, Phil, newsletter just went out, dude. He got his check right there for the only. Oh, dude, he almost made a lot. You want to hear about his hellacious seeds?
It's Tiger Woods, Peyton Manning. What's the difference? What's the difference between a bomb and a hellacious seed? Well, a bomb is high and nasty. A hellacious seed is a screaming, low, hot runner. And into the wind, I'm going to need to hit some of those. Now, Tiger likes to hit stingers. And those are cute.
They're cute,
Hellacious seed is going by a stinger so fast, like you can't even wave. Like if you were to put your hand out the window, I could play the match with partnering Tom Brady.
Gotta love. That was the greatest match when he was describing the greens, the colors, and dude, he's a master. And he was playing in Florida. Some golden advice.
That's awesome.
I know.
You hear an awesome sauce.
I know. 77.97, 78 on the pizza. It's coming down. MGM 1780. Looking good into Heinz 18 and higher. MGM Resorts. Gonna keep that and win. Look, win 86.50. Like it into 87. Just what's gonna happen with Disney. Look what happened with Disney, dude. Opened up parks. See ya. Bye-bye. Disney back in business. Disney raised the rates. Lower the people in the park, man. Which do you think? It doesn't, not up to me, man. You either get the day trading or the swing trading. I mean, swing trading wasn't even available. It's not even on the list. Swing trading course was never offered, nor mentioned. So just let's forget about that. I don't have a swing trading course. Be with me more than a week and then ask, but on the second day with me, not a good thing. Anyway, we make a little spike back to 34. LVS is the other casino, Mino. Yeah, I got enough. I got 2. A win's a good one. MGM's looking hot, guys. 90. It's going to go through 18. I like MGM here at the end of the day. Looking hot. When something looks hot, it's hot. That's it, basically. I tested out a new platform today. It worked great. Got huge leverage. Traded Bitcoin like a champion. Bitcoin traded like a champion today. Did you know that they have this Coinbase Pro? The guys that have the Coinbase. Did you know that? This Coinbase Pro. Did you know it's a digital exchange, Coinbase Pro, and you can move your money. You can move your money from Coinbase into Coinbase Pro. and it doesn't cost anything. And then you could trade your Bitcoin if you want, and you can apply for margin. Look, portfolios. Look, you can go right here, and you go limits right here, and then you go margin. You're on the margin trading wait list, and you go, see, in order to trade on, because they're going to give you the trading in action. Isn't that awesome? Oh, I got nothing in there, so it doesn't matter that you see. Great. Go log into my account and get nothing. So, but that's how you do it, and you go into trade. You go into deposits, into wallet. You go into banking, and you go into margin. You go into wallets, and then you deposit from Bitcoin, and it says from Coinbase, and you could move it over from Coinbase, but they wouldn't let me because I had $5, and I had less than $5 in there. They charged me, so I had $10 from somebody that signed up, and then they took it from me, and I got $5. I'm like, I'll transfer that baby over, and they wouldn't let me. And they wouldn't let me. But there's some good ones, dude. People always asking me, what's the good coins? Right there, the top 10. See them? That one you can trade on Coinbase. It's okay. It's only a nickel. 05. Probably gotten double in price. Goes to 10 cents. You're like, dude, I owned it at 5. And then this one, XTZ, is 272. Probably go to $5. You could say, look, I owned it at 250. Like EOS. EOS used to be $10 like months ago. Did you know that? A couple of months ago, this EOS coin used to be like $10. Look. Chart. Let's go back like a year. Look. 1 year ago, it was $4.50. And right up here, it was $7 on June of 2019. So 1 year ago, it was $7.61. And now it's $2.50. Not much has changed but betterness with that coin, but just the market hasn't been. Featured the ESO webinar, Build Your First Smart Contract, Learn and Sign Up, Coding for a Change, live. The ESI Virtual Hackathon, the ESIO Challenge, join the competition and build blockchain for everyone. What was this one? Learn more. Learn how to build your first smart contract. Bob, the technical writer at Block One, will lead the webinar and teach you the main technical components of the EOSIO. By the end, you'll know enough about the platform to begin writing your own smart contract. It's free of charge. Registration is required. I'm going to build my first smart contract. All you got to do is come on by and say hi. I'll sign up for that webinar. When is it? Option 1, June 15th. I'll take that one. It's 11 p.m. No, I'll take 2 p.m. Cool. Gotta put in all my information. All right, I'll do that. Absolutely. Yes, yes, yes. Save my spot. Ching. There we go. I am registered, baby. Build a stack of applications on my smart contracts. See that, dude? Beautiful. MGM 95. 95 on MGM right now. Looking hot. Looking good. And that win. 86.80 on the win. Target Heinz 116. Beautiful before. Went to 116.80. Awesome trade on Target, dude. That was a good call. That was a good call. Let's see if JB has done anything today, my man, before I head on out. We got any cool things to watch today? Moon gravity
When it comes
weights
to trimming your
away.
balls, use the Manscaped.
What's up, y'all? It's another day out here at the levee. It's a pretty good day. Nice weather outside. Graham and Dave are inside. Actually, Graham's right there, and Airbud's over there too. We're pretty bored, and we didn't really know what to do, so I figured I'd make the rope super, super short on the cable. And yeah, it'll be sort of like anti-gravity wakeboarding. I'm not sure how anti-gravity it's going to be because the cable is not super high here, but yeah, it should work out okay. I'm also not sure how it's going to work on the rails. Graham
Cool.
and Dave's down there. He's about to come back up here. And yeah, we're going to shorten this rope, super duper mega short, and turn off the gravity, and we'll just see what happens. Off the other gravity here? Yeah, I think a good idea. That's pretty short. So there's our handle. It's kind of way too buttery out to tell how high off the water it is, but
Wow.
at least
They're going to get a lot of
right
air.
there. So hopefully on the corner will probably be the best. And we have Joel, the bubble maker, right now, doing his job.
Hey.
Nice job, Dave. Nice job. Yeah?
Do it, JB.
Go.
Do it, kid. Here's an air rally right here. Watch. Woo! Woo! Here's an air rally. Come on, do a big one. Woo! Yeah. Thought you'd be going a little higher than you do, and woo! Gotta love that. Alright, we'll take a little final look here at the end of the day, what we got going on. Traded WBA like a champion. That one's doing pretty good since the last look. AMD strong right now. I'm not going to touch that. MGM's going to Heinz 18, 1796 right now. Apple dumped. Not really. Not really. Still looking good. Rad's holding at 80. Spies at 301.66. Target did really good through 116, 155 and higher. Nothing else really going on right now. Yeah? See, I changed your 1,000 open, 500 per position on the demos, right? Yeah, he's still absolutely loving it, I know. Because I wanted to give you a couple of days of solidness without blowing up and then see if you can take the same strategy with more shares and make more money and do it. You know what I'm saying? Did it work? No. People still got locked out. Demo 71 only traded 1,800 shares and got locked out. Trading the Nvidia for a big loss. Demo 72 also lost. Traded a lot more shares. Way too many tickets. Absolutely too many hitting Peloton and Boeing and RCL and Moderna and crazy trade. Thousands of dollars in commissions. Absolutely ridiculous. Never can trade like that. Maybe one day they learn. It's like the guy yesterday I was watching on the golf course next to me at the driving range. I was every shot I stripe. And I mean, if people looked at me, they'd be like, just look at the ball flight coming up out of my area, dude. And then I look over as I take a break and I watch the other guys. And I watch this one guy and he's all over the place. Low to the right, duck hook to the left, never gets it off the ground. You know, and you're watching all these guys. You want to go say something, help him, but I'm just too busy and shit doing my own thing. And he'll just suffer and go out again and do the same shitty things because his grip was all wrong. He was moving his body back to go hit it into the ball. He was swaying all over it. He was doing so many things wrong, dude. That was so obvious to me, but not to him. And all you can hear is shit, fuck, damn, crap, ruh. Me? I must have said money a dozen times, dude. I hit like 30 balls. Half of them were money. And when it went up in the air, I'm like, money. Pay the mojo. It's a birdie, man. I stuck it. I hit it. Done. Nobody hit no shots like that shit. You know what I'm talking about, Phil. Like when a good trade, man, you see the MGM 99 at 18, you're going to make some money now on that one. Right into the end of the day on that MGM. Yeah, turn it around with 100 shares. Love it. Absolutely. It's got $60,000 in buying power, too. Penny pincher at 99 now. Tesla's going to 820. It's looking good with them astronauts going out into outer space. All right, guys. So you watched the end of the day of the market. I'm pretty much done. Tired. Been a long day. Great trading. We're gonna do the same thing tomorrow. It's Thursday. What is Thursday? The same as Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday. Same as Friday. We make money every day. That's what we like to do. As things go through even numbers. Like Tesla just did at 820 and Intel just did at 63 and MGM just did at 18. And that's what we do all day long. It's a pleasure. Come subscribe to my show. Join my service. Watch my university. You'll be very pleased.